Hey, this is Evan from Octane Electrons. Today we're going to check out the LASFIT LED headlights. This is for my 2024 Jeep Gladiator. So it's a new truck. I've got about 5,000 miles on it now. Has just about every option except for the LED lighting package, which was annoying. So it's a Sport S model with a max tow package, and did some honcho graphics for it. I like the 70s Jeep pickup with the old stripe kit. So this is the Scrambler stripes from Underground Graphics with honcho logo. So anyways, that's the truck. And I'll show you how to do it real quick, and we'll check these out. I already took some before pictures and video of the original halogens, which honestly weren't bad for halogens, but I really wanted the LED lights, so we're going to give those a shot. So here's the package. Comes really nicely packed. I use all the LASFIT floor covers, so I have their floor mats inside, which I'll show. I like this brand a lot. They make really nice stuff. So you can see they're like molded floor mats. Had these in a couple trucks. They fit perfect. And I have them in the back as well. So they work great. I have their bed mat as well. Anyways, like their stuff. It's really awesome. So figured I'd try their lighting. Comes with a manual, and open up the package here. Here's our two lights. So both LED housings, and then they're probably a resistor module. And then a factory connector. So figured I'd show how to take them out as well. So not too hard. On the driver's side, you don't have to remove the grill or anything. You can get to it. The light, it's hard to show well, but has a cover right here. This black cover with an orange seal. So it'll be screwed in there. You just twist it to the left and it'll pull right out. Then you'll be able to see your connector down here. To release the connector, you pull back on this white clip. You just slide it back. And then you have to press down right there on the gray section. And then when you push down on that, you'll be able to pull the connector off. I use a screwdriver to push there and then pull straight back. Okay, so once that's out and the connector's loose, I can go down here, and it'll be hard to show, but I can grab the bulb, twist it to the left or counterclockwise, and then pull out the old bulb. So there's the old halogen. Right on. All right, let me go to the other side, and I'll show you how to remove the passengers. All right, so on the other side, you do have to remove your air box to get to the bulb, because you can see it right there. It's just going to be pinched too tight against the air box. So not hard. I removed more than I needed to, but it was easy to check out. So loosen the band clamp here that holds the top of the box on, and you really just have to remove the 10mm bolt here that bolts the whole box down. I removed all the bolts here. There's like 5 of them that attach the top and hold your air filter. You don't need to do that, but I was screwing around trying to figure it out. Then this will be tight fit, and you'll wonder why it's not coming out. Just grab it here or on the side and lift up. It will pop right out. There's nothing special about it other than these 2 big rubber grommets here that seal down into those holes. So it is a tight fit, but it comes right out. Okay, this side we can see better now. So you can see I was already in here. Here's the cover, and you line up the 2 tabs and then twist it to the right and it locks in. Twist it to the left and it comes out. There's our cover. Here's our bulb. Again, here's how you remove these. This took me a minute to figure out. This little white clip will be all the way in. Just slide it back with your fingernail or a screwdriver, so it's all the way back, and then you push in right here, this end of the gray tab. I used a flathead screwdriver that was kind of long, and I just pressed down right there while gently pulled backwards, and it'll release. You can see it's clipped there. Then we see the old bulb. Again, twist it counterclockwise, pull it right out. Okay, we'll grab the other ones and just put in one of our new bulbs. I'm going to remove them. We'll take a look. Nice aluminum housing. I see they actually have a cooling fan built into the housing. Pretty cool. It's aluminum. Looks like good quality LED chips. Has their brand on it. Same seal and connector style. And then there's the resistor or driver box or whatever you want to call it. So you can look down in there. You'll see there's 3 holes, 3 tabs that have to line up. You can see the tabs on the bulb. So I'm going to put it in place, and this will be hard to show, but you can feel it. So like if it's not lined up, you can feel it's wrong. As soon as it lines up, the bulb slides in. Then I twist to the right. Now it's locked in place. Super easy. Okay, then we have our box and connector. So I'll try to do this with one hand. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. Let's see. I'm gonna try and line it up. There we go. So push it together, clicks in place, push the locking tab in, all done. Factory style connector, works perfectly. And then you'll have to make some room. So I'm gonna have to get the module and the connector inside there, so I'm not gonna be able to show that easily, but I'm gonna do that on both sides and get it put away. Do the same thing on the other side. I need both hands to do that. So there is room. There's plenty of room around the headlight behind that cover, but I'm going to need both hands to do it. So this side, I'm not even going to try and show you super close. It's just going to be too hard, too tight in there. But same thing, line up the bulb, push it in, twist it to the right to lock it, plug in your connector, and do the locking tab on the connector, and then we're going to put our covers back in. Let me get both bulbs done. We'll put it back together, and then we're going to check these out, and I'll do another video at night to show the difference. Okay, a couple other tricks I'll share. So there is plenty of room, like I said, to put the connector and that resistor box or driver box, I don't know what you want to call it, in here. So the way I did it, just to show you, it's a tight fit, but most of your room is right here to this side. So I was able to slide the box, which you can kind of see it's right there, in through here. It kind of hangs down in that area, and then the connector in through the top here. So yeah, hang on one second, dude. So sorry, got some local buds here that need help. Okay, so once you make those both fit, then you can put the light in, push the rest of your wiring in. It does all fit just fine, but it's a tight fit, so you have to play around with it. Towards the inside is where the room is to fit stuff. Same on the other side. Okay, then once you're done, gonna put this back in. Hang on, dude. Line that up and twist it to lock. Okay, the other tip to show, when you put your air box back in, both of these rubber grommets here, you can see them, came out with my air box, and you'll never get it back in that way. So peel them off of the studs on the bottom of the air box and put them back in the bracket down there first, and then your air box will pop right in. So hope those tricks help. Let me finish getting this reassembled. Okay, here we go. Got the lights in, turned on. So there you can see brightness is awesome, much better than the original halogens. Looks like they work pretty well with these original reflectors as well. We'll have to see in the dark, see what the pattern looks like. But you can see good brightness there in the garage. Let's check high beam too. That high? There we go. Oh yeah, I don't think I can keep them on like this, but yeah, there's high beam, low, sweet. Looking really good. Nice. Well, we'll do a comparison in the dark so we can see a little better, but everything looks great so far. Right on. Looking good. So we'll check them out in the dark and wrap up this video. Okay, here's the lights before. These are the stock halogens on a 2024 Jeep Gladiator. And switch to high beam. There's high, low, and let's go look from outside. That's with the fog lights on as well. Okay, here is the after shot at night with the LASFIT LED bulbs in. So there's low beam and high beam. The brightness is crazy. I mean, huge difference over the original halogens. So go look from out here too. the distance they throw is much different than the halogens. So there you go, you can see the difference. Tons of brightness, really huge improvement. So yeah, I'm impressed. I like them. They fit well, they work well, look nice. No trouble in the truck, no lights out, bulb or warning light or anything. So works well. Right on. Hope you like them. Yeah, definitely check them out. I'll put a link in the comments, and hope that helps you know how to change your bulbs. And hopefully I'll do some other Jeep Gladiator stuff, because I'll be changing stuff on this truck. All right, see ya.